Welcome back to TechRadar, I'm Matt Phillips, and the Apple Time Flies event streamed out to the world live on September 15th, 2020, and there was one thing that everybody was hoping for: the iPhone 12. Apple announced a lot of cool stuff at its event, including a new cheaper Apple Watch SE, a new iPad Air 4, and Apple One. It's all-in-one subscription service that gives you access to iCloud storage, Apple Music, Apple TV+, Apple Arcade, Apple News+, and Apple's newest service, Apple Fitness Plus. But we didn't even get a glimpse of the new iPhone. The iPhone 12 marks the first time since the iPhone 4S that Apple will miss its usually ironclad September release window. It's a significant change for a unique time. But don't worry, the new iPhone is coming soon. Apple made the unprecedented decision to tell us that its new iPhone would be delayed. In a typical year, the company doesn't even acknowledge new hardware before the launch event. During Apple's Q3 2020 earnings call, Apple CFO Luca Maestri specifically referred to the new iPhone and clarified that the company is expecting its launch to be delayed in 2020 when compared to previous years. Maestri said, "As you know, last year we started selling iPhones in late September. This year we expect supply to be available a few weeks later. But that leaves a lot of unanswered questions around the iPhone 12. Which features will make it into the phone? And will there be enough supply to meet demand?" New leaks suggest that the 120Hz screen isn't making the cut, but the A14 Bionic chipset almost certainly will. The new processor inside will be capable of greater power efficiency, making the device almost twice as fast as before. How that efficiency will be spread out is still unknown. It could provide better battery life or faster 4K video editing, but we expect this to be explained in full at the launch event. A lot of people will be mad if we don't see the higher refresh rate screen, but perhaps some of the higher tech features aren't making the cut this year, as Apple is attempting to keep costs down and make this the first flagship phone launch that undercuts the cost of the previous generation. Leaks suggest there will be 6 new SKUs of the iPhone this year, ranging from the base iPhone 12 4G starting at $549 and capping out at the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which could cost almost double at the top end of $1,399. A variety of rumors and leaks have suggested that October 2020 is when we're likely to hear about the new iPhones. We've previously expected that we would see these devices announced in September, but that seems to be less than likely now. Maestri's terminology of a few weeks suggests that it is pushed back by at least 3 weeks. That likely means you won't be able to buy your new iPhone until at least mid-October. Leaker John Prosser, who has been accurate on product announcement dates for the iPhone SE, iPad Pro, and a few other Apple products, has said that he believes we'll be seeing the event on the week of October 12th. If that's true, we'd expect October 13th, as Apple often hosts its launches on a Tuesday. We'll be doing unboxing videos and full video reviews of the iPhone 12 when it does launch, so make sure you subscribe to TechRadar on YouTube so you don't miss out. If you like this video, please do drop a like, it helps us out loads, and let me know in the comments what you're hoping the price point of the iPhone 12 will be. All that's left to say is remember to head over to techradar.com for all the latest tech news and reviews.